Welcome to the Resilient Lady cabin tour.
We are currently in Sea View room, so without further ado, I'll show you around our cabin. We're on deck 5, we're cabin 5266. Said, if you're looking down the ship, that was a port, we're this side, not that side. If that makes sense to any of you, I can't. It's too early, we had Scarlet night last night, so didn't get a lot of sleep. Right, first of all, when you come into the room, pay attention to this on the back of the door, because we didn't. And when you first come on, you have to watch your safety video, you have to know where your muster station is, but this shows you the location of where you have to go. So make sure you pay attention. It's got all the fire safety information on there that you'll need. And then first of all, when we come in here, we've got a curtain here, which is for the wardrobe. There's plenty of space to hang up your clothes. We also have a little cubby hole at the bottom if you want to pop some shoes in. We've got a rail up top if you want to put some extra bits. Just in here, there's more cubby hole space. You've got life jackets up the top. There's a safe in the middle, 4 to 6 codes. You can store any valuable items that you need. There's also 4 little pull-out drawers, and there's a basket at the bottom. Just as you come over here to the bathroom, you have temperature control. Make it cold, warm, depending on what cruise you're in. I'm not going to go in the bathroom because it's very small. In here, it is a very tight bathroom where the toilet and the sink is, but the actual shower unit next to it is actually quite spacious, and you've got a rain head shower. I said I weren't going to go in, but I didn't say I wasn't going to open this. So you've got storage space at the bottom of the sink. There's a little bit of storage space at the side, a big mirror, and obviously you have the throne where you do your business. So first of all, we've got a nice big mirror here at the side to get ready on. There's also, I forgot to mention, this wardrobe here also has a full length mirror, so when you're getting ready you can see yourself. Down beside of the bed you have an American plug socket, 2 USBs, there's obviously master switches for all the lights. You've got 3 little lights above here that are manual, so if you're in bed and you need a bit of light, which I'll come on to in a minute, which is important because these are not controlled by so-and-so. And then the beds, the one thing we must note, actually all the beds are actually quite firm on this ship, they're not soft, and we know from our travel agents a few people have avoided booking a Virgin Voyages cruise because the mattresses are firm, but it's just, after 2-3 nights you kind of get used to it after a while. There's ample space under the bed if you need to put suitcases under, and just the side of the bed there's more master switches. This is very good. This tablet comes in with your room. It charges on the dock. You can close the curtains at night so you don't even have to get out of bed. Oh, look how dark I am, the curtain just closed. And you can open them, you can turn all your cabin lights off, you can do ambient light. The only thing this tablet can't do is these lights. So if you're in bed you need the light, you need to get up middle of the night to get something. You can also control the temperature in your room as well. You can turn on the TV. You've got different TV, you've got like TV series and movies on the TV, you've got like the Virgin Voyages normal channel that shows you a lineup, some other sports thing. There's a bridge cam, so if you have an inside cabin and you want to see what's happening outside, you can just watch that, which will be pretty good. And you've got 4 little music stations you can listen to while you're getting ready. So this tablet's very handy, comes to bed every night so I don't have to get up off my ass and open the curtains. Just before we come over to the desk, we have another plug socket down here. It's an American plug socket with 2 USBs. One of them's a fast charging USB, so I believe that'll be a USB 3.0. We also have a European plug socket on this desk with 2 American ones and 2 USBs, and one of them is a fast charging USB as well. And also we've got the desk's ample space if you need to work on a computer. I've been using it to do, Ellie's been using it to makeup. You've got your stool, phone in case you need to call emergency or reception or order anything else. The light, you can control it with a button as well as the app. Your room actually comes with 2 full water bottles a day. When your room gets done you can order it through the app. If you need more water you can just order it through the app and then it'll come and drop water off, or if you need ice they can do that. You've got a mini fridge which is covered by a nice wooden. You also have some cubby holes there if you need to store some items. There's another switch here just on the right hand side. There for the curtains, there you've got manual switches for the curtains. And then we have a nice comfy chair to sit on. You've got your window bay, which is actually quite nice. If you want to just sit there and watch the world go by, it's actually quite a nice little seating area with your cushions.
It's a good little reading spot, I think.
Yeah, if you've got a good book and you want to just sit there and read in your room for a few days, that's great. Oh, I did forget one thing. Here you can store stuff on here obviously. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, this big box. I believe if you're with someone and you don't want a double bed, because obviously we've got a double bed, I think you can turn 2 single mattresses, so you can have one that way and you can have one lengthways. That's what this box is for. So you can actually, you don't have to share the same bed with your friend or whatever if you're here with them. And there is a massive drawer under here where you can actually store stuff. So if you're on a cold cruise, oh, and there's some pillars as well. No, the pillars. Oh. Here you go, extra pillars and a blanket.
Why didn't I know that?
We could have done with that 5 nights ago.
Yeah.
Never mind. We found it out now.
And there's a blanket there they give you as well. One thing to note as well is they obviously provide towels for you to use, i.e. like beach towels, pool towels, whatever. But there is a charge, so if you take it ashore, as kindly demonstrated by James, if you take it to shore and you leave it or you lose it, there is a $25 per towel charge. Make sure you bring them back, don't leave them on the beach.
Yep, because you do not want to be charged. Also with the room on the iPad, you can route, it's their version of like Uber Eats. The food's free, but there is a $10 trade charge to your room, but you can order things like popcorn,
trail mix, pasta, pizza.
You name it, you can order it, literally.
Yeah.
Steaks, I think ribeye steaks or something, they're probably an extra charge for steaks. Wouldn't surprise me. So you can order them in your room if you didn't want to go out to the restaurants.